When we bought this old Honda CR-V, most people would have said it's not worth the effort. But we weren't fixing it up for us. We were fixing it up for someone who had no idea what was about to happen. She's a high school coach, a single mom, one of those people who spends her life helping others, never asking for anything in return. So we spent days bringing this CR-V back to life. And today, we're going to hand her the keys. And her reaction got all of us. She thought she was just going to dinner. What she didn't know is that she was getting a car and more.
This is my friend Latoya.
Latoya, my name is Roger Gum.
Hi.
I am with Gumpa's Garage. We have a really unique little mission where we buy old cars and fix them up to give to people who have a need. And Holly and Chris nominated you.
What?
We're going to give you a car.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Would you like to see it?
Yeah.
All right. See that bow? That is yours, my friend. That is yours. And you know why we do this?
Right.
We do it as a reflection of God's love for us. It's a way that we can be generous and help people like you. Because I understand you're a teacher and you have a daughter who's in college.
Yes.
And you have one car. And
son.
it's kind of difficult to make life work.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a little bit easier now because you're going to have two cars. And you're going to like this car.
Yeah. What?
Now, are you okay if we make you a little bit late for your dinner? All right. Sit in the front seat of your new car.
Cheese and crackers.
We took it to a mechanic and we got it all checked out. It actually was in really, really good shape.
Yes, sir.
We did a few things to it. I've got a list of all the things that we did to it. We got the car painted. We did a ceramic coating on it, which makes it really easy to clean. We put in these new mats, and this will tell you all the different things that we did. When you see the before, it had been in a wreck. It did not look good. And so we did all the leather seats because it had the cloth, and we did the leather on the doors, and we painted the trim. And really, I mean, we kind of got it where
Almost brand new.
it almost feels brand new. Oh, and the steering wheel, this is a fun thing. We put a new leather wrap on the steering wheel, which I just think it feels so cool. The mats, they do come out, but they should be really easy to clean. If they get dirty, just spray some cleaner on there and wipe them, because we have a ceramic coating on there, which makes it super easy to clean. These Hondas are great.
Yeah.
They're just such good cars. And this was a really good year for their engine. So I'm hoping you can go a really long time before you have any issues. One of the lines that we like to use for Gumpa's Garage is making old cars feel new. So in order to do that, you have to have CarPlay, right? And so we put in a new radio that has wireless touchscreen CarPlay. Let's get it set up, because this is the most fun part for me. See, it's a good stereo. Isn't that nice?
Oh my God.
Isn't that nice? Now put your foot on the brake for me and put it in reverse. Backup camera, right? A 2007 didn't have a backup camera, but we put one in for you. All right, so let me show you a couple other things that we did. We have one more gift for you, because you're gonna have to go register this car with the state of South Carolina. And we've researched it, and it should cost about $500 to get it all registered, because we don't want you to have to do that on your own. So this is gonna get it registered for you. All right? This is the bill of sale, which it's for zero. What we also like to do, we will make a video of this, and we have a little YouTube channel, but we just do that to try to inspire generosity. People always ask me, he is amazing. They always ask me, they say, how do you find the people to give cars to? And I always have the same answer. God just provides them. So Griffin goes to LifePoint, just happened to say, hey, we're doing this thing called Gumpa's Garage. Do you know anybody in the church that has a need? And I guess he mentioned it.
I got one.
Yeah, I think he mentioned it to Holly. And as soon as Griff told me that, I was like, that's the one. That's it. That's who we're supposed to give it to. Then the only other request we have is we always like to pray for you and just say a blessing over the car, that God will protect it. Father, what a privilege it is to have met Holly recently, and Chris, and now LaToya. Thank you so much for the common bond of Christ that brings us together as brothers and sisters, even though we're meeting for the first time. And I pray that this car will be an amazing blessing to her. I pray that it will work great and that you will just protect her in it and protect the car and give it lots and lots of life, and that every time she steps in it, she will think about your goodness and your love and provision for us. I've always believed that just because something's been through some hard times doesn't mean it's reached the end of its purpose. Turns out that's true for more than just old Hondas. Sometimes people are carrying burdens you can't see. Sometimes they just need a little help getting through the next mile. This CR-V wasn't perfect, but neither is life. What matters is taking what you've been given and using it to help somebody else. And if we all did a little more of that, this world would be a whole lot better place.